Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to another video here on the K-Tech channel. And today I'm bringing you the unboxing and first impressions of the Huawei Watch Fit 5 Pro. And for those looking to improve how they analyze and measure their daily physical activities, this is definitely the right device. And on top of everything, as you can see here on the box, it's beautiful. And you already know if after watching the video you're interested in buying it, the link will be here in the video description. But pay attention because I have a message for you, okay? On June 6, 6/6, there will be a huge promotion, a massive campaign. I'll also leave the link for you down here. This guy here will be going for 999 Rials, and the Fit 5 version, which is its younger brother, will be going for 699 Rials. I'll leave the links down here. It's the lowest price you'll ever find in your life for this guy here, so hurry up and don't miss the opportunity. Write it down in your calendar so you don't forget, June 6th. And of course, all of this with stock already in Brazil, so you don't have to worry about paying any extra fees to get your product delivered to your home. Don't forget to leave your like, it's really important. Check your subscription to the channel and the notification bell, and if you can share this video, that'll help a lot too, alright? Now let's get to our unboxing and initial review with first impressions of this beauty, the Huawei Watch Fit 5 Pro. Let's get to the video, let's go! Starting the unboxing, it's an all-white box with the model in gold and the product image with spot gloss applied. Very beautiful, by the way. On the side label, we have the product version, and on the back, some information about the product and the QR code for the Huawei Health app, so you can download it for both Android and iOS as well. Opening the box, we immediately see the watch. On the left side, there's the wireless charging cable, and on the right side, the quick start guide and the safety manual. The strap that comes with the watch is made of nylon. It's lightweight and very comfortable as well. The watch weighs only 30.4 grams and is 9.5 millimeters thick. The case measures 44.5 millimeters and is made of titanium, and it has a 1.92-inch sapphire AMOLED display. And believe it or not, it has a maximum brightness of 3000 nits. It's water resistant up to 50 meters deep, and it's extremely light and comfortable, man. You even forget you're wearing it, it doesn't bother you at all. It has ultra precise GPS, which will track you even in the most difficult places. You won't miss any detail of your workout. As for the battery, we have 471 milliampere hours of silicone and carbon, which gives you up to 10 days of light use, which is excellent. And the big highlight of the Fit 5 family is the mini workouts. It offers 30 quick exercises, so you can take a 5-minute break while you're working. On public transport, bus, train or car, you can stretch your legs and the watch will suggest everything you need right on its screen. And you just follow along, following the whole mini workout right there on the screen, man. That's really cool. You can see that with the animation on the watch faces, it's doing the exercise along with you, man. It's really cool. It also supports a pedal power meter, which is that feature we saw in the Huawei Watch GT6 Pro, which I also showed you here, and it's really cool for those who practice cycling more professionally. It also brings electrocardiogram and arterial stiffness detection. Accessing the menu, there are a ton of features and measurements, from the most basic ones like heart rate, sleep monitoring, breathing exercises, to more advanced ones like golf courses with over 17,000 course maps. If you play golf through the app, you can access more than 17,000 golf course maps. There's also trail running with navigation right on the screen, all with incredible accuracy. And through the app, Huawei Health needs no introduction. It's very comprehensive and intuitive. Besides downloading and editing watch faces, you can customize which apps you want to send notifications to your watch. Offline maps, and you can also add, remove, or even edit quick replies. So when you get notified on your watch with that WhatsApp message, you can reply directly from it. And guys, the user experience is excellent. Normally, I don't usually sleep with the watch on my wrist. I think it's something that bothers me. I've already told you this here in the video I made about the Watch GT Runner 2. But this one, just like the GT Runner 2 as well, is very light and very comfortable. You barely notice the watch on your wrist. It doesn't bother you at all, and I can sleep with it comfortably. It notifies you of phone calls, as I already mentioned, and you can reply to WhatsApp messages directly from its screen. Not only can you reply with text, but you can also send emojis. NFC for payments, at least here in Europe, it works perfectly. And of course, you can also connect with your Strava account and share your physical activity results there as well. So you can share and sync that information there too. But tell me, does it make you want one of these beauties? I really liked it, and it has already become my daily driver. It's going to be my personal watch from now on. Besides being beautiful, it's amazing. It's a top-notch watch, really good. Anyway, if you want to buy yours, you already know the link will be here in the description. And don't forget that the big sale is on June 6th for 999 RM. Huawei's official store. Okay, that's it, guys. Leave a like if you haven't yet. Make sure you're subscribed and turn on notifications. Sharing this video would really help. We're in this together. God bless you all. Big hug. See you next time. Thanks. I'm out. Bye.